Change sometimes can be very good, however, sometimes can be kind of bad. Similar to change and taking risks, in the end, you've gained something. When you're taking risks, you have to keep in mind that you miss 100% of the shots you never take, and even if you fall flat on your face, you're still moving forward. And that taking risks is learning, so you're either learning to fail or failing to learn. Some risks may result in mistakes or consequences, but you just need to accept that. You have to move past the fear and think about the outcome. Taking risks is something you can accomplish on a day-to-day basis, trying something new. Constantly putting yourself out there and taking a risk can become exhilarating, but it can also be a procedure and an obstacle you just have to be willing to climb. For example, me, as I'm sure you all know, I'm terrified of heights. Absolutely terrified. At the YLCC retreat, sure you all saw me hyperventilating and crying at the top. But you know what? I did it. I didn't conquer fear, but I took a risk. And once I took that risk, I actually made it to the top of the rock wall. I was so surprised that I did that, because I know that if that was me last year, I would have never accomplished such a thing. After I did that, I actually went to Canada's Wonderland, and I rode the Leviathan. I know you're probably like, what? But what was I thinking? I don't know. But it wasn't even that terrifying. I took a risk again, and at this point, I thought that I may have not only just taken a risk, I may have actually conquered a fear, which sometimes can happen. Taking risks has a great outcome. You just have to be willing to put yourself out there and realize that the outcome makes it all worth it in the end. And maybe